Do you often wake up in the middle of the night with leg cramps that feel like your muscles are being torn apart, leaving you clutching your calf and gasping in pain, helpless to do anything but wait it out? If this happens regularly, it's more than just a sleep disturbance. It may be a warning sign of deeper muscle weakness, and if left unaddressed, it could eventually lead to mobility loss and permanent dependence on a wheelchair. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple, science-backed ways to stop leg cramps at night after 60, all natural, non-medicated, and proven effective for thousands of older adults. And if you're serious about keeping your legs healthy and pain-free, leave a 1 in the comments below. I'll keep creating helpful videos focused on leg pain, nighttime cramps, and natural mobility recovery, so you and others can stay independent longer. Let's start with the first, a quiet deficiency that's responsible for more leg cramps than most people realize. Solution 1. Get enough magnesium. Magnesium is essential for healthy muscle and nerve function. As we age, our ability to absorb it declines, and low magnesium is one of the leading causes of painful night leg cramps in seniors. Symptoms like dull calf pain, morning heaviness, or restless legs can all signal a magnesium leg pain issue that builds over time. A study published in the Journal of Integrative Medicine found that adults over 60 who supplemented with 300 milligrams of magnesium daily experienced significant relief from cramps in just 4 weeks. Best food sources include spinach, pumpkin seeds, black beans, oats, and ripe bananas. If your digestion is sensitive, magnesium citrate is a well-absorbed and gentle supplement option. This is one of the most effective, drug-free cramp solutions and a key step in stopping leg cramps at night after 60. But even with enough magnesium, one daily mistake may still be triggering cramps. Let's talk about hydration. Solution 2. Hydrate with electrolytes, not just water. Your muscles need a balance of water and electrolytes to function smoothly. But many older adults unknowingly trigger cramps by either not drinking enough or drinking too much plain water without replenishing lost minerals. Overhydration can dilute essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, setting the stage for painful night cramps. A review in Sleep Medicine Reviews confirmed that even mild electrolyte imbalance increases the risk of cramping in older adults, especially overnight. To prevent this, sip fluids throughout the day and include natural electrolyte sources such as coconut water, broth-based soups, lightly salted water, or mineral-rich sea salt in your meals. This is one of the simplest, yet most overlooked, steps in preventing sleep cramps over 60. Still cramping even with better hydration? Your nightly habits might be to blame. Let's fix that next. Solution 3. Stretch before bed. If your legs are tight when you go to sleep, they're far more likely to cramp during the night. Simple pre-bedtime stretching is one of the most effective natural remedies for night leg cramps seniors face. Stretching increases blood flow, loosens muscle fibers, and reduces nighttime tension. Just 5 to 10 minutes before bed can make a big difference. Focus on the calves, hamstrings, and feet. One effective stretch: sit on the floor with legs extended, loop a towel around the ball of your foot, and gently pull toward you for 20 to 30 seconds. Switch legs and repeat. This simple routine helps reset your legs before sleep and reduces the chance of overnight spasms. If you're serious about long-term relief, check out my playlist, Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP, tips in the description. It covers everything from leg circulation to strength building. Still feeling tightness despite stretching? The next solution offers soothing relief from the inside out. Solution 4. Take warm baths and massage before bed. Warmth increases circulation and relaxes tense muscles, making warm baths and leg massage a powerful part of any drug-free cramp solution. Soak your legs or take a warm bath for 15 to 20 minutes in the evening. Add Epsom salt, a rich source of magnesium, or calming oils like lavender or peppermint to enhance relaxation and sleep quality. After the bath, massage your legs in gentle circular motions, working from your feet upward. Use coconut oil, olive oil or magnesium oil to hydrate skin and relieve lingering tightness. Massage increases blood flow, eases nerve compression, and can significantly reduce magnesium leg pain, a hidden contributor to sleep cramps over 60. This soothing nightly ritual can help your legs stay calm through the night and support a deeper, more restful sleep. Still cramping despite all of this? The missing piece might be your overall diet. Solution 5. Rebuild muscle with proper nutrition. Stretching and soaking help in the short term, but to eliminate night leg cramps long term, you must support your muscles from the inside. Many older adults suffer from undetected deficiencies in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, all critical for muscle repair and cramp prevention. Without these, muscle fibers become weaker and more reactive to stress. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors with higher intake of these nutrients reported significantly fewer nighttime cramps and better sleep quality. Focus on foods like avocados, salmon, whole grains, sunflower seeds, and leafy greens. These are easier on digestion than pills and provide lasting fuel for your legs. This is one of the most powerful ways to stop leg cramps at night after 60 by restoring your body's natural ability to heal and relax. You don't have to suffer from painful, sleepless nights. These 5 solutions, magnesium, hydration, stretching, warmth, and nutrition, work together to stop leg cramps naturally, without medication. Apply them consistently, and you'll wake up with stronger legs, fewer cramps, and deeper rest. If this video helped you, comment 9 below and share your leg pain experience. I'll respond with more tailored tips for your situation. And don't forget to check out the playlist, Leg Pain After 60 Natural Relief and AMP. Tips in the description and pinned comment. It's your go-to library for stronger, healthier legs, one night at a time.